This short video for horror story has received over 1 million views within 1 year. In this video, I will try to start an almost identical YouTube channel using only AI. My plan is to automate the entire creative process from script writing to visuals to voiceovers and more. Just a few days ago, I was scrolling on YouTube for channel automation ideas. Then I came across a channel about short horror story. After researching the channel's daily to yearly revenue, which is insane, I started off by asking ChatGPT for 50 YouTube channel names. Then I chose this one. Then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna create my own channel. For our profile picture, I use Stable Diffusion, an open source AI art generator, to generate a horror picture. To finish up the branding, I created a banner using our profile picture and Canva. The channel branding was done entirely by AI, just like that. To create the video, I chose specific target, short horror story. And I asked ChatGPT to give me short story ideas for someone who fits this description. It suggested The Night Visitor, a short horror story about a young woman named Sarah who is awakened in the middle of the night by a tapping sound on her window. Then I used ChatGPT to write the short story, and of course, for voiceover, I used 11 Labs, a free tool that uses AI technology to generate voices to create the voiceover. Next, I used Pictory.ai, a free video editing tool, to create the video. Then I uploaded the audio from 11 Labs. Right after that, Pictory.ai generated the subtitles automatically for me. Then I googled a horror house picture for the video, just for simplicity. After selecting the scene, I clicked on Generate Video.
He kept staring at me and feeling burdened. I tried to ignore him by borrowing my mom's cell phone and watching YouTube. However,
The Night Visitor. It was a typical summer night when Sarah went to bed in her small apartment. She had been watching a horror movie and was feeling a little spooked, but she tried not to let it bother her. She got into bed and drifted off to sleep. Around midnight.
To create the thumbnail, I went to Canva, upload an image. That's it. I edited the text to make it stand out. Then I shared and downloaded the thumbnail. For the video's title and description, I asked ChatGPT to generate them. After completing all the steps, I uploaded the video to my channel. It was ready for publishing now. I hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys. Peace.